seems kids were riding around on their dirt bikes out here and somebody crashed. Because we got the air ambulance out here on Auto Road. And they got the police and the ambulance on the road here. And they're up by the fire hall on top of the hill up there. There's a whole bunch of kids up there with dirt bikes. So I imagine one of their buddies probably crashed. And they come with the air ambulance. They landed in the field right here. As I was coming down the road, they were loading one kid on a stretcher on a backboard and a leg splint, and with a heart monitor, it looked like, on him. He must not be injured too badly, otherwise they'd be taking him in the air ambulance. But they loaded him in the regular ambulance on the road here. But they always send the air ambulance out this way, because it's about a good 40-minute run to the hospital from here by vehicle, where the air ambulance can be there in like 2 or 3 minutes from here. He's going to take off there now. I used to volunteer for these guys. Unmarked police car down there. Unless there was more than one, but I seen them load one guy in the back of that ambulance. I didn't see anybody loaded in a helicopter. There's the helicopter up there. You can see him up there, up in the clouds. He's heading back to the Arthur Street base, looks like. guess they're just getting him stable in the ambulance. Yeah, today's Saturday, July the 21st. I was sitting in the house and I heard the air ambulance buzzing over my house here, and I went down the road to see what was going on, and I showed you where the air ambulance was sitting in the field. That was only about 1/8 of a mile down the road from my place, and the young boy went in the actual road ambulance. They loaded him there on a stretch, on a backboard, and a big leg splint. And as you seen, as I was driving up past the cop car there and past the ambulance, and I stopped as I was coming up to the fire hall there. There was a truck there with a big white trailer, enclosed trailer parked there. It was a woman that brought a bunch of boys out with dirt bikes inside that trailer, and apparently one of the boys lost control of the bike and went for a heck of a spill, and his pupils were all dilated, so they were taking him in for examination, and they basically sat on the side of the road there for quite a while till they made sure he was stable and stuff. And you've seen that the air ambulance left. So talking to the people there, the woman there that brought the boys out, he said that he's not severely injured, but he had a bit of a leg problem, and his pupils were dilating on him. So they were just taking him in for precautionary measures and examinations, and going from there. So, and what they do is they come out from the city, and they come out here and they race up and down the dirt road here, and there's a couple of abandoned fields that they race around out in here, and there's actually one field there that's got a track in there that's been here for many years that they come out and use. I don't even know whose property it is because nobody even lives around there. And even the roads here, you got to watch out because they race up and down the roads. So kids, it's just a warning to you there. That's what can happen. Anyway, we'll talk to you later. Take care.